Hello everyone, welcome to our first video of our chip design series. In this series, we are going to learn how to design actual chip using open source tools completely free. By the end, you will have designed your first AND gate and seen its simulation waveform. Just see this. This is in a 3D design of an AND gate. This is a layer by layer fabricated chip. Then we can able to zoom selecting single isolated date grids. See how it's fabricated design. This is in a just wait and show cell layer. This is in a sky 130. Since this is a 130 nanometer chip design for ungate, so this is an open LAN, just have a restriction till 130 nanometer only, since they are designed at that. This is free software, but in really some other software uses from Synopsys or Cadence, you can design till 2 nanometer. So we just move on to the next series. This part is just for installations of OpenLAN. Hi, I'm Gopal Krishnan. In this video, I will show you a step-by-step how to install OpenLAN on Windows using WSL2 and Docker desktop. Then for this, you have need a requirement of Windows 10 versions, at least 8 GB RAM, then 50 GB of free disk space. Just we open a terminal, just install WSL Ubuntu. Just WSL install the Ubuntu. Since I'm already installed that, it is showing like this. Since I already installed that, so I just go and use an Ubuntu. Okay. Then Docker. This will be now a chip design tool in container. Just download for based on install of Windows. Since I already installed that, this is for Docker. Then we have to do by going to settings, then in general, and resource. You have application integrated. You have to enable this both. It's been required to restart this. Then only be able to access inside that terminal for installation. Just to press P3. Initialization you want to check. It's a similar page at any point. Just we have the installment for OpenLAN, so that's only great. Then we have to install on Essentials and Python 3 and Virtual Machine. There is a full thing need to install. Then just check it that the Docker is working. Since if you not reinstall, if you not set this 2 points enable integration with my default WSL distro and Ubuntu, it's not work. Since Docker is a must, we have to install it. So check the job. See, Docker is working and connected here. Just be checked by one and a hello world. Just we check this image. Since before we do that, we have to check once. Otherwise, it's not work properly. Okay, now it's working. I just move on to one folder to do this project properly. Just create a new folder for OpenLane intro. Just move into this. Just this to cd right. In this folder we have to add we have to clone a repository. Then move into an OpenLane. To make this take more time to process. Checking all things, then we do a test for it. Then we have to test this, it's perfectly installed or not. So just make test. After 42 steps, while making a test of the OpenLane is installed successfully or not, finally we get as a basic test has passed. This still is an installation. We just see about ungate, how to create another chip design by using a Verilog in next video.